The hurricane is about to smash the royal yacht. The waves are higher than a house. The wind holds so hard the jellyfish turn to jello. Then this rudder breaks in two. My dear friends, the royal yacht is convinced. The end is near. When suddenly a boat appears, the royal yacht yells out, "Head back! The ocean will swallow us both!" But the boat refuses to listen because this is the rescue boat, Fearless. He works his way over and hooks his cable to the royal yacht. Then he gives all he's got and tows him gently home to the royal harbor. When the others see that Fearless has rescued the royal yacht, well, my friends, you could hear their cheers all the way here to Cozy Dove.
And how did he do it? In that hurricane?
He simply never gave up. Fearless was to be saved. It kept trying and trying. He never gave up. That's what made him the greatest rescue boat ever. No one will ever be better than him.
We'd better put the fire out.
Those clouds will take care of that.
Come on, Swifty. Let's go check things out. The storm is gonna be a big one. Hey, wait! It's dangerous out here. Head for the port.
You think I should? The day I need help from a measly little rescue boat from the middle of nowhere, then I'll let you know. Sorry, I seemed so brash before. You're only doing your job.
Yes?
You see, it is extremely important that I get to the Big Bay as quickly as possible. And since you seem so fearless, you may have the honor of escorting me, Rocky Gabrielson, to Big Bay.
It's very not safe to go to Big Bay now. Follow me to the nearest port.
I am by nature an extremely patient yacht, but I don't have time for this. Escort me to Big Bay this instant.
I'm sorry, Mr. Gabrielson. The thing is that I can't leave my district.
What are you saying?
I can only take orders from the rescue center.
You rude little... No one says no to Rocky Gabrielson!
Well, he would never have treated Fearless like that.
I hope Elias shows up soon. The super urgent express message from Big Bay is for him.
Here's a super urgent express message from Troller. Well, get this darn catch off me before it's stinking.
There you are.
What's up?
Let me see. To Elias. Come to the rescue center in Big Bay right now.
Is that it?
Yes.
Oh, the rescue center in Big Bay. I've never been there before. Come on, Swifty. Have a nice trip. Yeah, have
the
a nice
capital.
trip.
Yes,
Big
the
Bay, the
capital.
capital.
It's probably nice there.
The capital.
Imagine that Elias is going to Big Bay. It's really unbelievable.
Big Bay? So what? What's that then? Huh. I, Trawler, am going as far up as Raffotin to fish. That's something else. Last year I beat the record set by that trolling chief Pedro Gonzalez. Trawler hold up so much halibut. There wasn't even a single sea urchin left out there. Can you believe it? Huh.
Cool music. Let's ask where the rescue center is.
Look what the gulls threw away!
Have you ever seen such cuddly babies? You looking for something?
Yes, we're looking for the rescue.
Have you lost your pacifier? Do you need to poo-poo? Was there something you wanted, Chubby?
No, thank you. We're going to the rescue center.
It's only common courtesy to introduce yourself.
Okay, this is Swifty. And I'm Elias, the rescue boat.
You don't say. Elias and Swifty. Allow us to introduce ourselves,
Hey little boy, have you lost your mama dear? Come here with me. No need to shed a tear, so nice and clear. You can easily fit in here. Check it out, this little hall, and bring it back to my shop. This shop's for me, and you never find a better thing than me. Forget about them. Nothing more to say. Give me a hug, 'cause we are busy, man. With those things up on land. 'Cause we're the crane row. We'll get you hooked, yo. We get all things done. We're always number one. Export, baby. That's our
You look a little shaky. Scared of heights? I've heard of fearless, but it looks like your name should be fearful, huh?
Hang on, Swifty. Can you guys tell us where the rescue center is?
Well, I think we've got a tough one here, huh? Sure, we know where it is, but why go there now in the middle of the night? Spend the night here where the action is.
That was the last one. I need a drink now.